Hey, Shane Thomas here. I just wanted to tell you I've been involved now with Partner with Anthony program for about just over a month. I have made some commissions as well, been rewarded quite well with some of the projects that Anthony's had on his Success Connections. So if you're not a believer, then I'm here to tell you, well, it does work. And if you put the effort in, you'll definitely succeed at it. If you want more information, just check out Anthony Morrison. Just Google him. You'll find out, man, this guy is honest. His integrity is above reproach. So definitely, again, I'm proof. And there's a lot of us out there that follow his program, Partner with Anthony and Ambassador programs. Awesome guy, awesome programs, does work. You do make money, but you got to put the effort in. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires some effort, but you put it in, and what you put in is what you'll get out.